Today we start the new topic of chemistry, that is solution. First we see the definition of solution. The solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more pure substances. First we see what is meant by solvent and solute. The solvent and solute, when mixed together, the true solution is prepared. Here the example is mixture of water and salt. In this, the water is a solvent and the salt is a solute. When we mix together, we will use mixture of water and salt. Next, solute and solvent may be in three states, that is either solid, liquid and gaseous. Next point is the types of solution. There are 9 types of solution in which solute and solvent is used. First that is the examples in which first state is solid and second state is liquid. Solid state, that is means the solute, and liquid that is means the solvent. And for this the example is benzoic acid is in benzene or sugar in water. Here the sugar is solid state and water is in liquid state. And second example is the solid state and also solid state. In this the solid is solute and the solvent is also solid state. For example is metal alloys such as brass and bronze. Third is the solid and gaseous state. In this the solute is in solid state and solvent is in gaseous state. For example is the iodine in air. Iodine that is in solid state and air is gaseous state. Fourth example is liquid state. That is solute is liquid and solvent is also liquid. For example is gasoline or ethanol in water. Though maybe two also in liquid state. Ethanol also is liquid state and water is also liquid state. For fifth example is liquid and solid state. That is solute is liquid and solvent is solid. For example is metal as mercury in silver. In this the mercury is solid state and the metal is solid state and mercury in liquid state. Sixth example is liquid and gaseous state. In this liquid is solute and gas is solvent. For example is chloroform in nitrogen. In this chloroform is gaseous state and nitrogen chloroform is liquid state and nitrogen gaseous state. 7 example is gas and liquid state. In this the solute is gaseous state and the solvent is liquid state. For example in carbonated water, oxygen in water. That means CO2 in water. CO2 is in gaseous state and water is in liquid state. 8 example is gas plus solid. That is gaseous state is solute and solid state is solvent. For example is H2 in palladium. In this H2 is gaseous state and palladium is solid state. 9th example is gaseous and gaseous state. Solute is also gaseous state and solvent is also gaseous state. for example is air. In this air, many of gases are available, that is O2, nitrogen, argon, or other gases. These are the 9 types of solution. Next is capacity of solution to dissolve in solute. Suppose that the solute is added in a solvent. When solute is added in a solvent, first it dissolves readily at first, then the dissolution is occur. When the dissolution is slows down, the more solute is added, and when this dissolution reaction is continue occur, then the dissolution is stops, and the solution at that point is to be saturated solution is prepared. This saturated solution is the dynamic equilibrium can be reached at this point the crystals are formed, and that crystal are formed is called as the crystallization process. We will see the crystallization practical demo also, and thus when the crystals are also heated, then again we will prepare the solution. Is the capacity of solution to dissolve the solute.